This is Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I am coming to you from the mall parking lot at the mall where I live. Well, I don't live at the mall, but the mall in my area where I reside. My son wanted to stop into the mall and check out Hot Topic and the arcade, so I decided I'd wait in the car and show you what I got when I went to Joann's today. So, what did I get when I went to Joann's today? Well, I'll tell you. I went to Joann's in search of rainbows. Rainbows! The reason I was looking for rainbows is because I am part of a group called the Yarn Hookers, and we have a Facebook group, and we also have monthly challenges. So for the month of May, it is my turn to host the challenge, and my challenge is rainbows. Anything and everything rainbows. And everybody that takes part in the challenge sends us a photo of their project, and we put it on the Facebook group, but we also air it when we have our Yarn Hookers live episodes. So we have it on YouTube as well. At the end of the month, we randomly pick one of the participants and they get a prize. So I went to Joann's to look for a prize for the challenge. So I wanted it to be rainbowy, but me being Whippy Chick and loving bright colors, I wanted to keep some of the things for myself. So let me show you what I got. I had to open the windows because it is getting hot in this car. So let me show you what I got. The first thing I got is this mandala. It's called Wizard, and how pretty are those colors? So on the side of the packaging, it shows how it works up, and it definitely looks like rainbow stripes. Okay, so anyway, this is really, really pretty. I bought 2 of these for the prize. This is not for the prize. I bought this. It's another mandala, because my sister actually got me one of these for Christmas this year, and I want to make a little bit bigger project, so I thought I'd pick up another one just so I don't run out. And this color is called Chimera, and again, it does make like rainbow stripes. Oh my gosh, there's people everywhere. Don't they know I'm trying to film a video? Okay. There's gonna be some editing done for sure. Okay. How cute are these? I love them. I love them. They are called Crystal Lights by Susan Bates. They're crochet hooks, and they're in rainbow colors. They're so pretty. So there's a 4, a 5, a 5.5, a 6, and a 6.5 millimeters. So very, very cute. So that is part of the prize as well. This is also part of the prize, not yarn, not even yarn related, but definitely rainbow. Aren't they pretty? Rainbow earrings for pierced ears. I thought they were really, really cute. Definitely go along with the theme. So the last thing that I bought was just for me. It is a Big Twist Classics. The color is Fun Brights. And boy, are they ever fun and bright colors. I love that. You know me. I love fun brights. So, so pretty. And definitely kind of rainbow themed. But like I said, this is not for the prize. This is for me. I'll make something lovely with this. I don't know what yet. We'll see. I've got a few ideas. Okay. I think that's everything. I think it's finally quiet enough for me to blow you all a kiss. So, mwah. And there's people right behind me. It just doesn't stop. Okay, see you later.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday,